Hello folks, it's Eric Hendershot down here at North Trail RV in Fort Myers, Florida. Today I want to give you a walk around on the new 2019 Newmar Dutch Star 4326 floor plan. .4326 is the floor plan. Newmar Dutch Star 2019 on a Spartan chassis. Fully insulated, heated basement doors. Got your outside refrigerator freezer. Got your Sony outdoor with a Bose soundbar for sitting out tailgating. Full-length integrated awning down the side. Pass-through storage trays. Central vacuum cleaner. Passive rear steer tag axle on the back end of the coach. Shortens your wheel cut. Emergency egress door with a ladder that comes down if you need to get out in a hurry. This is the Spartan K2 chassis, 450 horse Cummins motor. Towing capacity is 15,000 pounds. Built-in air chuck with the Spartan chassis, so you hook up your airlines in your trailer or your tow vehicle. Side radiator, big deal. Work on the coach if need be. Side radiator is a big thing. Full wall slide adds a ton of extra space inside. Again, passive rear steer tag axle. Power hose reel, power electric 50 amp cord. Gets you to those tough spots in some of those campgrounds. Oasis hydronic heating, a clean burning. You got cameras on this side in this model, 360 degrees around the bus. You can see what's going on the outside when you're on the inside. High-end look. The roof is integrated awnings down both sides. Coming inside the all-new 2019 Newmar Dutch Star 4326 bunk model. This middle area here is where our bunks are set up, but if you have kids or grandkids or guests that are 6 feet tall or shorter, 2 comfortable spots for them to sleep with the drop-down DVD player screens on both sides. If you don't have the extra guest and it's just the 2 of you and you need storage space, this also doubles up. This rail comes up and you can hang all your hanging stuff up top. Half bath in the middle of the coach. Got your master bedroom, king-size bed, master bath in the rear. Very comfortable. This particular one has a sleep number king size. You've got plug-ins for cell phone chargers on the side. Nice big TVs with DVRs, DVDs. You also have 2 extra fold-up chairs for your dinette up front. You can actually sit 6 up there if need be. Extra storage underneath. Master bath is phenomenal. Washer, dryer, stackable. It's not like the old days where you can only do a little load. You can do big full loads in there. Nice big shower, single sink in the back, big wardrobe on the side. Coming into the kitchen area here on this Newmar Dutch Star. Beautiful hardwood, we mentioned this Bermuda double sinks here. Induction cooktop for your fish and your smelly foods. If you want to take that outside, it goes right up. Cook on a picnic table, you don't have to stink up your bus. Of course, a convection microwave. This particular model has a dishwasher also. Big enough water tanks, 105 gallons of fresh water. Big flat screen television, 4Ks, power lift buttons up and down. Nice big sofa, sleeper sofa, 87 inches long. 2 people can sleep comfortable here. Jackknife on the opposite side. Extra storage underneath the booth. This table comes out, got an extra leaf that goes there, 2 more chairs on the side. So you can fit people in this bus if you want to. One more big thing this year on the Spartan, you have this nice new electronic dash with that 360 degree camera view of the outside of the bus. Spartan chassis this year have a 5-year bumper-to-bumper warranty on the chassis, which is super nice. My name again, Eric Hendershot, North Trail RV, Fort Myers, Florida. Call me on my cell phone if I can answer any other questions for you. 239-910-3297. Thanks for giving me a little of your time.